Hey guys, dctmakes here. Here's the restoration, soft restoration, just to get it working, clean down, and just to verify everything works. All smooth, everything works good. And if we can put this under here, see that conical lead screw, and then this little guy is the pinch jaws to allow it to move in and out and then re-engage, and then off you go to the races. That's it, everything works. Clean the screw down, re-greased. It's a nice little vise. Again, it's a record 52E. Nothing too special, but great little vise. Made in England. There you go. Can be done. Out.